I have meticulously curated the Speak Software Sell Smarter course curriculum to fill in your gaps and give you the prerequisite knowledge you need to understand progressively more complex concepts. For example, it's a lot easier to understand what cloud computing is if you have a grasp on what computing is first. Same with software and software as a service. Your knowledge compounds from lesson to lesson, module to module, and throughout the entire course as you work your way up from low level computing on up to the cloud. You can think of Speak Software Sell Smarter unfolding over three broad sections. In the baseline, you'll build an understanding of computing and software beyond sleek laptops and user interfaces so that technical concepts in cloud computing and SaaS make a whole lot more sense in the cloud. And finally, in the bigger picture, we learn how developers build SaaS and why APIs make the tech ecosystem go round. Within these three sections, there are six main modules that take you from the baseline to the bigger picture. In computing, we align on the basics of how computers compute and how IT infrastructure enables this in an enterprise setting. In software, we nail down the basics of what software is made of and the hardware and infrastructure that software needs in order to run. In cloud computing, we learn how a seemingly limitless fleet of virtual servers in physical data centers make software happen. In SaaS, we go beyond the UI to learn how SaaS operates on the back end for the full picture view that's key to talking integrations and automation. In software development, we gain insight into what exactly it is that developers do all day, how software gets made, and why SaaS is always a work in progress. And in the final API module, we nail down the what, why, and how of APIs and learn just why they are the special sauce behind platform ecosystems and the entire API economy. And yes, you will learn all of this without having to learn to code. But that's really just the icing on the cake. What makes this course so unique and impactful is the approach it takes to ground technical topics in history for context and break them down into concepts you can explain, not code. Tech history lessons give you that background that makes you sound like the seasoned industry vet who's seen it all. Core technical concepts clarify jargon so that you can connect the dots in more complex topics. And high level deep dive lessons cover key topics that hit the sweet spot between developer deep dives and marketing fluff. Plus, tech in action lessons highlight on the job scenarios using a fictitious SaaS company. Articles and podcasts immerse you in real world tech conversations so you can talk tech like the VCs and industry leaders. And quizzes reinforce your knowledge and get you final certification ready. In the next video, you'll see how the live cohort levels up your course experience, and I'll reveal the special goodies I've added to the live cohort that make it the money move of 2025. I'll see you in a sec.